Welcome to the demo video of CPGRAMS Hackathon by CADRE. This demo is for the problem statement, which is to develop an AI/ML-driven system for topic clustering modeling to enable auto-categorization of received grievances from citizens submitted at the government portal for sharing the same with last-mile officers concerned. This is the login screen for the demo. I'm going to log in using the credentials. Once I log in, I am landed on this interface. As you can see, this is a very simple interface where the citizen needs to type out his grievance in detail in this box here. You could do so in English or in any of the other Indian languages. For the citizen, we've also given a space where they can check for really well-written complaints. This is to ensure that the citizen gives enough details so that the grievance can be addressed and resolution for that can be fast. For the sake of convenience, I'm going to use an existing complaint and paste it over here. And then I'm going to submit this complaint. As you can see, the user is not required to select categories and subcategories and then file the complaint. The AI model will automatically looking at this complaint, get to work and do the categorization that is required. It's going to take about 10-15 seconds in this prototype, but on production, when with powerful machines, we could achieve this setup at a very much faster pace. As you can see, this complaint has been categorized into banking, service charges related, and others category. The complaint is about additional money being deducted from a customer's account or a citizen's account by Punjab and Sindh Bank. Once this is categorized, we are taking the input fields from the user. And then I'm going to submit the grievance. As you can see, the complaint is successfully submitted. This will also show up in the history over here. So previously filed complaints can also be visible for the customers here. We are now going to look at the admin login. I'm just going to log in as admin. Once you have logged into the admin, you land up on the same interface, but there's an admin tab here which you could click on to. As you can see here, you could select the dates on which you want to check the log cases. So let's just take a look at the latest one that latest grievance that was submitted. As you can see, this was the latest one that was submitted. The details are all captured over here. The path is also captured here. If admin wants to add some notes and save it, they could do that as well. Again, this is just a utility feature. There's also a confidence score here, which is displayed. We'll explain that in the report. I'm just going to explain the steps involved in our classification that we just did. It can be broadly classified into 3 steps. The first step is a language classifier, which looks at which is the language in which the complaint is in. If it is in an Indian language, it is first converted into English. Then there is a step wherein the entire complaint is summarized and also checked for any grammatical mistakes. This is done using the Mistral 7B model. At the heart of this entire classification is the hierarchical zero-shot classification, which is done using BART and vector databases. The detailed info of these models are provided in the report. Thank you.